is not as common now as it used to be, but if you do get asked this question, it is gold because it helps you showcase your attributes and it also helps you to direct the interview. So, if you've been academically consistent, for instance, you could talk about that. Or maybe your ACADS are not very good, but you've participated in a lot of initiatives, then that is what you highlight. Let's say if you feel that your profile is not great with respect to either of these two, then you can skim over that part and you can highlight why you're really interested in MBA. Maybe there are some role models you have or some people who have inspired you.